click the wrong link and someone can see your IP and where you are. I will show you how the trick works and how to beat it. Go to any of your browser, type in iplogger.org, click sign up if you don't have an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click sign in. I'll put in my email and password here. We are on the iplogger homepage. This is how it looks like. Enter a valid URL, phone number or tracking code. In this place, we are going to enter a URL to create a short link. It could be any URL. Since it is a social engineering trick, let's look for anything funny. We'll open here. Let's look for any meme. Let's say meme image. So with this, so we have this Shrek here, so let's use this one. Copy the link, the URL link, and then we'll go back to our home page, paste it here, then click create a short link. We have our short link here created. This one is our logger link here. So here we can choose any domain name, and here we can choose any of this to make it appear good. For this demo, we are going to use the normal, which is the iplogger.com, and then use .html just to make it appear well. So if you see anything we do is changing here. Next, we are going to enable what we want from this list. We are going to enable, we have collect smart data, we'll enable it. We have collect GPS data, we'll enable it. These are the two things that we want to demonstrate. And here you can just put your notes here. Hey, check out, even though it doesn't show up, hey, check out this funny meme. It's so cool and funny. When you scroll down on this place shows number of visitors. This is for those who clicks the link. The information will populate here whenever anyone clicks the link. IP, provider, country, device identifier, and more info. So everything will show here once anyone clicks on that link. So we have set everything. Let's test it, right? Because this is a demo, I'm just going to copy and paste it in a browser. Usually it is sent through email, WhatsApp, Telegram, or even on website, or a pop-up we show any website that you are visiting. It usually happens that way. Sometimes it will be sent to you by email, WhatsApp, or whatsoever platform you're using. I'm just going to paste another tab and paste it. I'm not going to allow anything. I'll just let it load. I don't want to display my actual location, so I'm using a VPN. We are on that link. See, what we just used to create the short link is what we are seeing. So when you mistakenly click a link like this, it takes you to that very thing that they are showing you. Meanwhile, your information, your IP, your GPS, everything has been compromised by the hacker. Let's go back to the place, the IP logger, and then when we scroll down, you see nothing is showing here. But when we refresh, we are going to see if more people are clicking the link. We're going to see everything populating here. We'll see the information, the IP, GPS location of anyone who clicks on that link will show up on the visitors page. Have you seen the time, the IP, the country, the device, and the browser that was used to click that link? Everything is showing here. Device identifier, everything is showing here. And then more information. When we click here, this is the smart data. When we click here to give us more info that will require anyone to know your exact location, latitude and longitude. This thing is used to know your GPS location. Your GPS location is different from your IP address, so that's another topic for another day. But for now, the longitude and latitude is used to get your exact GPS location. So with this information, any hacker that captures this information can use it to carry out phishing attack on you, carry out dangerous attack to hacking your system, to hacking your device. If you're a company worker and employee and then clicks on anyhow link, you're going to expose your IP, your system IP address, your GPS location, and those information can be used to carry out dangerous phishing attack on your device, like hacking into your device, creating a backdoor, seeing what you're doing, like recording everything you're doing, stealing your most important information, your banking info, everything. The main purpose for this video is for you to be aware of any link you're clicking on. Don't click random links. Check the domain carefully before you allow anything. Deny location unless there is a real need. Use a VPN to mask your IP setting. Turn on 2FA so leak passwords are less useful. Now you have seen the trick and the defenses. If this video saved you from one bad click, like and subscribe. See you in my next video.